Hi, we're standing in front of 8233 Chimney Bluffs. This house has 5 full bedrooms, 4 full baths, RV parking, and a 3-car tandem garage. It has solar screens on the east facing of the house, the west facing of the house, so it helps with those hot Vegas summers. It is a gated community. We are at the end house on the street. Comes complete with the courtyard, and we're just going to take you through. This courtyard has an outdoor fireplace and a gate. Let's go ahead and take a step inside. When you first walk in, you will notice we have a terracotta tile, stairs, and a formal living and formal dining area. High vaulted ceilings, neutral paint color, and mini blinds on, or faux wood blinds on all the windows. As you walk through the front door and you turn to the left, you will see we have a laundry room, complete with a sink, upper cabinets, washer and dryer, and a door to close all of that off. We have a full bath downstairs, step-in shower, a coat closet, a bedroom downstairs, complete with ceiling fan, blinds, and a closet. Some people use this as an office, but it would make a good in-law suite, or in our case, when we had it, we had the 5th child down here. This is the garage. Might as well get this in and out. So you can see it is a 2-car on the front, but we do have the 3rd-car tandem back here. You can use this for extra storage. It does equip 3 cars. So. We keep walking around into the family area. You'll see we have another fireplace. It's all gas. You have a little nook for your entertainment center, TV. However, you can also use that nook for your TV or entertainment center, however you want to hook it up. Again, we have faux wood blinds throughout. Doggy door, and here's your kitchen. The Samsung stainless steel refrigerator. Gas cooktop with 5 burners. The oven vent above. Spice cabinet, cabinetry, 5 shelves, cabinetry all throughout here. Down below, you do have some pullouts. And then, of course, the drawers. Do have to use a tabletop, a countertop microwave. The microwave that came with the house, they no longer make, and you can't replace this unit right now. So this would have been your microwave, and here is your oven. So So unfortunately, we do have that tabletop or countertop microwave. Here's your pantry. Then you also have your breakfast bar, stainless steel sink, and your eat-in nook right there. We're going to go ahead and venture outside. You will see you have a covered patio, complete with fan, pavered. Here is the RV parking. You do have the air conditioners to contend with, so we just have to make sure there's enough space whenever you if you wanted to use this as RV parking. And then we have this coming up back here. Here is the pool gate and the pool. Now, you're thinking, it's a little small. It's actually perfect. It's 4.5 feet deep, has a kiddie splash pad, has a seat all the way around. It doubles as a spa, so you can heat this thing up all winter long and then use it at night if you wanted to in the summertime as a spa. Had some tenants from Hawaii. They absolutely love the idea of being able to heat it and swim all year long. It's big enough to float in. It's also big enough to jump in. So it's actually pretty perfect. The waterfall comes off the grotto there, and that is it. Head back inside and head upstairs to see the other bedrooms. So downstairs we do have 1 bedroom, 1 full bath. Upstairs does have 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. So let's go ahead and head up there. All open railing, which makes it feel more open and grand. Here is your family area, your living area, formal living area, as well as your dining area back there underneath that arch. Here is the master bedroom. Kind of unique. We have a 2-step up platform for your bed and any kind of dresser you would have. You have a gas fireplace, 3-way in the bedroom, and then you have a sitting area in this bedroom. So TV, couple recliners. Some people have used this as an office. It does give you that extra space if you have to fill all the bedrooms. You also have a walkout patio. That allows you to look into other people's yards, I guess. But you can see the RV parking to the street. You do have a little bit of a peekaboo over there of that sheep mountain. Here's a top view of the pool. The house does come with pool maintenance and landscaping. You have a walk-in closet with some built-ins. Separate toilet area. There's toilet paper. This one's got to be worth some money, huh? Just kidding. Vanity, sink 1, deep soaking tub, and then you have your sink 2. Pantry or linen closet, and then the shower area. So walk across the catwalk is what I call it. You have a game closet or another linen closet. There's a built-in desk here if you have some children that need to do homework or again, just need an extra space for office Not sure who all's working from home these days. This is bedroom number 3. It is a mini master. It does have its own full bath, a ceiling fan, and again, pretty good size room. I don't have the exact dimensions, but we can always look those up if you're interested. You also have another full walk-in closet. To our left is bedroom 4, complete with ceiling fan, faux blinds, regular closet, and its own entry into bedroom or bathroom 4. This bathroom is shared with the other bathroom. It does have a double sink. And here is bedroom 5. You do have some extra linen closets there. Again, bathroom. If you have any additional questions or need me to walk back through, do some measurements, just let me know. We can also do a private tour. We will turn on all the lights, open all the blinds, and allow you to walk through the property. Just give us a call at 702-358-3107. And this is Vegas Edge Realty. Have a great day.